Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use this insecticide step by step. If you like this video, please visit our website for more information. Or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
Insects belong outdoors, but pests like cockroaches, silverfish, boxelder bugs, and many others occasionally invade indoors through small cracks and crevices in our house's structures. To stop these pests from coming in, use D-Fense Dust to create long-lasting residual barriers in the tight, hard-to-reach spaces that these pests use to invade. D-Fense Dust is a dry, insecticidal dust made with deltamethrin. This product is weather and moisture resistant, making it a great product to apply in and around the house. D-Fense Dust can be applied without tools, however, we strongly recommend you have a handheld duster with a long spout in order to reach tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. Use D-Fense Dust to treat cracks and crevices. Proper application of this product will see no visible dust as you apply. To use D-Fense Dust with a handheld duster, open the bottle and pour the appropriate amount of dust into the duster's reservoir. For most handheld dusters, this is typically no more than half the reservoir's volume. Close the duster and shake to break up and distribute the product. Most dusters should come with a small iron ball or a similar object to break up clumps. When ready, stick the duster's spout into the area to be treated and apply. D-Fense Dust has an application rate of 2 to 3 grams per square yard, or half a pound per 1,000 square feet. Be sure to get an even coating on all surfaces in the area. D-Fense Dust can be used in and around buildings, structures, and their immediate surroundings. Permitted areas of use include, but are not limited to, animal quarters, apartments, greenhouses, industrial buildings, schools, and warehouses. Do not apply this product in aircraft cabins. Indoors, you can apply D-Fense Dust in cracks and crevices, along baseboards, behind wall sockets, and in wall voids near electrical and plumbing. Outdoors, apply D-Fense Dust inside weep holes, around entryways, and into wall voids. D-Fense Dust can be used as part of a preventative treatment to stop insects from invading. You can also use D-Fense Dust as part of a treatment plan to get rid of active pest infestations. D-Fense Dust is safe to use around children and pets when applied according to the product labeled instructions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment when applying and handling this product. Although D-Fense Dust can be used outdoors, it's not meant for large applications. Apply this product in dry areas. If D-Fense Dust gets wet, it may lose its effectiveness. D-Fense Dust will provide long-lasting barriers to protect your home from invading insect pests. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. To prevent most infestations, you'll also want to make a barrier application around your home with Supreme IT and monitor for pest activity with professional glue boards.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.